Safety is the first thing. So there's a 2-day safety training before any employee even walks out on the production floor. So we have a very specific onboarding process that we bring people in. They go through what we call a quote unquote dojo. So there's a training and onboarding facility that they do for their specific job. If they're an electrician, if they're a brazier, we make sure that they go through that training.
They're not just kind of thrown into everything. We walk them around, we show them the product. We have them spend some time at every station to understand what is actually happening in each of those places and why each thing is important.
Speed to revenue is absolutely one of the most important metrics. But there's also this constraint around what exact workload are they going to put in the facility. So the ability to collaborate, come out with a chiller product that suits a wide variety of needs at the right price point, at the right speed, and with the best quality is absolutely a key to our success with our customers.